we are going to Mapata village of Tanzania. We are in Mosh and we are going to hike. So very soon we'll get out of the car and start the hike. Yay! Welcome to Mosh, welcome to Kilimanjaro. Materuni. So guys, okay, thank you. We are already in Materuni village, and I wouldn't leave Tanzania without hiking and without going to a village. So we just arrived and they are registering us. But guys, just check, it's deep in the village. We have drove from the highway to here like 3 kilometers high elevation, but guess what, we find so many cars parked here, meaning it's a big destination. But just know it's very deep in the village. Actually it's a photocopy of Mapata village. So if you're there, just know we are home. All right. So guys, finally we are ready. We are going to hike in Tanzania, eh? Paka kuulira bubi. Guys, check all those vehicles. They are coming to a small village because of the resource that is here. You see that? That's a lesson. There is no place that is far as long as it has the beauty. So you see all those vehicles, all those people have drove their vehicles all the way from far to come to this destination. So these issues of Mapata is very far, the waterfalls are very far. For us, we can't go there. No, yay! Just know that everything has a reason, and if you want something, you have to go for it. Therefore, if you want something good, move a distance, take a step and get out. And that's what we are doing. Check all those people, all those vehicles are coming. Guys, it's a village very deep. Let me focus. It's close to maybe Mapata, maybe Buhaura, those places, those high-end places. That side of where is what? Ihandiro, like those kind of villages. But in the number of, you see the number of cars.
Walai, this is
Materuni. We're going to the Materuni waterfall here in Tanzania.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Uganda to Tanzania.
mtoto wa Bwera.
We are in Materuni village. We are hiking to Materuni waterfalls. So, karibu Tanzania. Here it's in Kilimanjaro region. So, karibu Materuni, karibu to Tanzania. Uganda to Tanzania, here we go. This is beauty.
So then, why?
Tunataka Uganda.
Uganda. Na Kenya.
Si mimi
Tuna Uganda. We want Uganda.
hawezi kutengenezea kiende.
Sawa.
Wow. Banana leaves.
Yeah.
Guys, these are materials from banana leaves. Postcards from banana leaves. Banana leaves, guys. Banana. This one here is banana leaves. We have bananas in Uganda, and then they are making postcards like these ones here. So how much? Ngapi hii? Kama hii 10,000 sawa. 10,000 is 1,000.
Haifiki. Kama ni 800.
Okay. Hey. Lesson learned. Art and craft. Then
Uganda to Tanzania.
Yeah, Uganda to Tanzania. Then they have crafts like everywhere, and that's where we are going. Soldiers, to reach the waterfall, you have to go through these soldiers.
Yes.
I can see I am going. I can see it. I can see it. I can feel it. I can see it. Oh Jesus Christ, guys. Oh my Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Finally, we are here to check out the place. And I'm making guys, check that waterfall. Guys, this is our guide. Your guide here too.
Just go there. You just go there and swim.
So they say this river is coming for this river is start here to Pangani, Tanga. Yes. So it's this river is going to Tanga, Pangani.
So the real spelling of Materuni.
Materuni.
Hello, Jambo. Welcome.
Hello, welcome. Materuni, guys. I'm still trying to copy the real pronunciation. Materuni. Exactly. So we were back.
Sister, you're welcome. Here we are the artists. We are making different kind. Have a look. This
I have looked.
postcard, cheaper like chips. Support us.
Cheaper like chips.
We do this for living.
Tuta support.
Yeah, cheaper like Coca-Cola, sister.
Sawa.
Something little is better than nothing.
True that. So we are back. We are back from the Materuni.
So you want the banana or
waterfall.
the banana wine?
And guys, the number of people coming to this waterfall is so overwhelming. and they are telling me this is a low season. The season has just started. So I am imagining how many people come when it is a high season. So guys, it's amazing. The waterfalls are so amazing. Everything is so cute. Like the number of people going there is also amazing. Thank you so much for following today's vlog, and if it's your first time here, asante. If it's your first time here, kindly subscribe, hit your notification, and if it was your first time, I'm called Glasio Janet. Right now we are in Tanzania, but just know I'm a Ugandan and I'm based in Kasese. Alright, see you in the next video. Love you guys always. Big up to KTI, Kasese Tourism Investment Forum, for sponsoring this trip for me to come and explore Tanzania, so that I take the lessons back to my country, back to Uganda, to develop Rwenzori region as a destination. Alright, see you, and see you in the next video. I'm still in Tanzania and we are still exploring.